guys, it's Destinee
and Miss Kelly,
and we are counselors at the ASAP program, and today we are going to teach y'all how to make chalk. The materials that you will need are plaster. You're going to need 3 mixing cups, and then 3 more for your plaster, and 3 more for your water. You're going to need a cup of water, 3 colors of paint, 3 sticks, 3 toilet paper rolls, some wax paper, and a measuring cup. All right, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make the chalk mold holders. First, you're gonna get your wax paper, then you're gonna get your tape, and you're gonna roll it up, and then you're gonna stuff it in the holder. Then you're going to fold it over the edges and tape that down. All right, now we're going to make the chalk. You're going to get your 3 tablespoons of paint, and you're going to pour the whole thing in each cup. Then you're going to get 1/3 of your water. You're going to pour that in. Then you're going to get your 2/3 of plaster. Pour that whole thing in.
slowly.
And then you're going to mix it up. So once you're done mixing it all together, you're going to get your mold and you're going to put all of it in there until it's filled all the way to the top. And then once you're done, you're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 13 to 15 hours. All right, so once it's done refrigerating, you're gonna make sure it's hardened. And how you take it out, you're gonna slide it out of the mold. And you're just gonna get your wax paper and gently pull it off the sides. And it might make a little bit of a mess, but that is okay. And there you have it.
That was so satisfying.
There's your chalk.